So this year 2025 is going to bring a lot of abundance and prosperity and love into your life. If you want to know more, stay tuned. My name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Your Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, yoga, law of attraction, tarot, numerology, astrology, and so many other things. So in this powerful video, first of all, I want to say Happy New Year to all of you, all those who are connected with Decode Your Destiny from so many years. It's my 10th year running this organization, and I'm grateful to God and all of you for staying connected. So just three things I am going to say which you can do if you want to start this new year on a better note and manifest all things and everything whatever you are wishing to manifest. You can do it. So first of all, it's really important to be grateful because we are starting another year, another day, and God is giving us this life. God is giving us this moment to celebrate the new year. So we have to be grateful to God. And right now, I want you to challenge for next at least 21 days. Make sure you get up every morning and you just take time, only 5 minutes, and just be grateful for whatever things you're having. And if it's possible, maybe at night, just try to write down all the things which is good happened in that particular day, or whatever it's happening in your life. Just be sure that you're writing things down in your diary for next 21 days. Apart from this, second activity which you can do is visualization, which is another most important and powerful technique. So just after you finish your gratitude practicing or you're journaling at night, you will be just closing your eyes and visualizing what kind of life you are wishing to manifest, and you will be seeing that it is happening in the reality. Okay, and point number three is like, you will take actions, I know that, but it is something which I want to add on, that you have to make a plan, to-do list you have to create for 2025, for 6 months, for 3 months, for 1 month, for 1 day, 7 days. So it's like that. You will be breaking down your larger goals to your smaller goals, and what you will be doing is you will be making a list of all the goals which you want to manifest in 2025. Then you will be writing your half yearly goals, then you will be writing 3 months goal, quarterly goals, and then you will be writing your goals for the January, and as well as you will be writing the to-do list task, because it's really important. If you're not making the list out of it, what exactly you're going to implement, what you're planning, then universe is not going to deliver you. So make sure you do these three activities, and I really pray that you all manifest your goal, dream, desires, and wishes in your life, and may you all live a life which is full of happiness, peace, joy, abundance, and prosperity. Om Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev.